Hi guys! We are in Learning at Home. Guys, hope you will learn in Math with Teens. Yes, it's me again, Ma'am Teens. You know guys, practice makes perfect. So don't stop to practice in solving in math. Yes. So today we start in drill and we call it tell my root. I know I can solve this, he said. So number 1, square root of 1 is equal to 1 because 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, number 2. Square root of 256 is 16 because 16 times 16 is 256. So the root of 256 is 16. Number 3. Square root of 324 is 18 because 18 times 18 is 324. So the root of 324 is 18. So guys, papahirap na. Number 4. Square root of 576. So the answer is 24. Yes, that is 24. Okay, next. Tell my root again. Square root of 16 over 49. And that is 4 over 7. Because square root of 16, 4. Square root of 49 is 7. So the answer is 4 over 7. Number 6. Papahirap na guys. Square root of 225 over 400. Square root of 225 is 15 and 400 is 20. But you see guys, 15 over 20 is not the final answer. We can reduce it into lowest term. We can divide that into 5. Yes. So 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So that our final answer is 3/4. The root of 225 over 400 is 3/4. Okay, naintindihan ba guys? Number 7. Square root of 36 over 121 is 6 over 11. Yes, guys, natutunan ba? Practice lang. Always practice. And always memorize the squaring numbers to solve this topic. Okay, let us recall our last topic in my last video lesson. So, and that is find the solutions of the equation x squared minus 25 equals 0 by extracting square roots. So, our given is x squared minus 25 equals 0. We use addition property. So, we have x squared is equal to 25. And we will use the extracting square root both sides. So, the answer become x is equal to positive or negative 5. So, we have two solutions. X equals 5 and x is equal to negative 5. So, that is the solution of x squared minus 25 equals 0. So, guys, our topic today is the continuation of solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. This is part 3. So we recall also this statement. quadratic equations that can be written in the form x squared equals k can be solved by applying the following properties. The first is, if k is greater than 0, again, if k is greater than 0, so that the number here is are positive. Then, x squared equals k has two real solutions or roots, so that x is equal to positive or negative square root of k. Number 2, if k is equal to 0, then x squared is equal to k has one real solution or root, so that x is equal to 0. Number 3, if k is less than 0, so the number are negatives. Then x squared equals k has no real solution or roots. So guys, the method of solving the quadratic equation x squared is equals k is by extracting the square roots. Yes. I will give an example, number 1. Find the solution of the equation x minus 4 quantity squared minus 25 equals 0. So to solve this, look at the given. Okay? So we need to eliminate negative minus 25 here in the left side so that add 25 both sides of the equation. Like this. X minus 4 quantity squared minus 25. This is minus 25 plus 25 is equal to 0 plus 25. So this 2 is add 25 both sides. So it become, so cancel negative 25 and positive 25. So become x minus 4 quantity squared is equal to 25. And using extracting square roots, we write radical sign both into both. So we have square root of x minus 4 quantity squared is equal to the square root of 25. So eliminate this square root sign and the squared. So it becomes x minus 4 is equal to positive or negative square root of 25. And square root of 25 or 25 is a perfect square. So square root of 25 is, yes, that is 5. So bring down. X minus 4 is equal to x positive or negative 5. Then the equation will result to two values of x. The first one is x minus 4 equals 5. The second one, x minus 4 is equal to negative 5. Then, we use addition property. Yes. So, add both sides. So, become x equals 5 plus 4. And the other one, add also 4 at both sides. So, we have x is equal to negative 5 plus 4. So, our solution is x is equal to 9 because 5 plus 4 is 9. And the other one is negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. Our solutions are 9 and negative 1. 9 or negative 1. Check the obtained values of x against the original equation. Our original equation is x minus 4 quantity squared minus 25. We will substitute 9 into x, so it becomes 9 minus 4 quantity squared minus 25 equals 0. The other one, substitute negative 1 into x, so it becomes negative 1 minus 4 quantity squared minus 25 equals 0. So this one is 5 squared minus 25 equals 0. And this one is negative 5 quantity squared minus 25 equals 0. So 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 5 times negative 5 is 25 also. So we have 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. And the other one is 0 is equal to 0. Both values of x satisfy the given equation. So the equation of x minus 4 quantity squared minus 25 equals 0 is true when x is 9 or when x is negative 1. Answer. The equation of x minus 4 quantity squared minus 25 equals 0 has two solutions. And that is x is 9 or x is negative 1. Guys, naintindihan kaya? Okay, let's give another example. Okay, number 2. 2s squared equals 50. So guys, madali-dali to. 2s squared is equal to 50. So we divide that both side into 2. So we cancel 2 and 2. Then 50 divided by 2. So bring down s squared is equal to 25. By using extracting square root, so s is equal to positive or negative 5. So we have two solutions, 5 or negative 5. Let us check to the original equation. 2s squared is equal to 50 when s is 5. So substitute 5 into s, so it becomes 2 times 5 quantity squared. So this is 5 equals 50. Then 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 2 is 50. Then 50 is equal to 50. Then the other one, oops, sorry. So if s is negative 5, substitute negative 5. So 2 times negative 5 squared is equal to 50. So negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. Then 2 times 25 is 50. 50 is equal to 50. So that our solution is correct. 5 and negative 5. So number 3 example. 4x squared minus 225 equals 0. So we use addition property of equality. Add 225 both sides. So we have 4x squared is equal to 225. Then we will divide this into 4 both sides. So 4x squared over 4 is equal to 225 over 4. Cancel 4 in the numerator and 4 into the denominator. So we have x squared is equal to 225 over 4. By the use of extracting square root, write radical sign both sides. So cancel the radical and squared. So x is equal to positive or negative 15 over 2. Our solutions are 15 over 2 or negative 15 over 2. To check this in our original equation, 15 over 2 substitute into x. So it becomes 4 times 15 over 2 squared minus 225. And the other one is negative 15 over 2. The difference is this is positive and the other one is negative. So 15 times 15 is 225 over 4. Negative 15 times negative 15 is positive 225 over 4. Then we will cancel 4 and 4. Oops. Cancel 4 and 4. And the other side, 4 and 4. So 225 bring down minus 225 is equal to 0. Then 0 is equal to 0. The other one is also bring down 225 minus 225. So 0 is equal to 0. Okay guys, that's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you understand our topic at sana pag-aralan niyo mabuti. Thank you for watching guys and God bless.